Before installation, first choose the mounting positions for the main unit and the front and rear cameras. Plan the cable routing in advance. Then install the main unit. Based on the selected mounting position, choose the appropriate mounting bracket. Here, we used a 13mm handlebar mount. Adjust to a comfortable viewing angle. Then tighten the screws. The quick release mount is now installed. When choosing the camera mounting points, please note the following. First, choose a point with minimal vibration after the engine is started and a clear, unobstructed view. Second, choose a flat, smooth surface. Clean the surface before applying the adhesive. Third, when installing the camera bracket, do not fully tighten the screws. This allows for angle adjustment later. After mounting the camera bracket, once the adhesive is applied, press firmly to secure it, whether mounted upright, upside down, or on the side. Make sure the up mark on the camera is facing upward. This ensures the footage remains level. After installation, connect to the HFK app, adjust to the desired angle, then tighten the screws. Connect the red wire to the battery positive terminal, the black wire to the battery negative terminal, and the orange wire to the ACC. Most motorcycles have a dedicated ACC port. Remove the fuse. Route the ACC wire through the plastic housing. Then reinsert the fuse to complete the ACC connection. Connect the front and rear camera splitter cable to the main unit. Then mount the main unit in place. Next, connect the corresponding aviation connectors, red to red, yellow to yellow. On the splitter cable, the F connector connects to the front camera. The R connector connects to the rear camera. After everything is connected, power on the device. Once you've confirmed it's working properly, begin cable routing. Tips for cable routing. First, route the cables smoothly without twisting or knotting. Second, avoid points where body panels may pinch the cables. Third, do not zip tie too tightly. Leave some slack. Turn the handlebars fully left and right. Make sure the cables do not pull on the main unit.